Welcome to my channel Brain Boosters. Please like, share and subscribe. Virat Kohli's success story, cricket, matches, awards, family. In the realm of cricket, where there is a godlike cricketer named Sachin Tendulkar, there is another person with a towering figure who ignites passion and excitement. He is none other than Virat Kohli. Known as the chess master of India, Kohli's journey from a young boy with big dreams to being the most celebrated cricketer in the world through sheer relentless dedication and extraordinary talent is inspiring. This success story delves deeper into the inspiring story of Virat Kohli, showcasing his early days as a determined young player to becoming the captain of the Indian cricket team and other key moments that shaped his life. Early life of Virat Kohli. Virat was born on the 5th of November 1988 to a Punjabi family in Delhi's Udham Nagar. Prem and Saroja Kohli are his parents. Virat is the youngest child and his two elder siblings are Vikas and Bana Kohli. He spent most of his childhood in Delhi and was the first to train at the West Delhi Cricket Academy, which started in 1998. His training, hard work, and persistence led him to success. Did you know that Virat dropped out of school after completing his 11th standard? This was because he started playing for the India Under-19 team when he was merely 16 years old. After becoming the U19 World Cup team captain, he never looked back. Success in domestic and Under-19 cricket. Virat's fabulous performance in domestic cricket got him a place in the Delhi senior team. His big break came through in the 2006-07 Ranji Trophy season. Unfortunately, he suffered a personal setback when he lost his father due to a heart attack in December 2006, right in the middle of the Ranji Trophy. However, he didn't let the incident deter him from his path and scored a 90 against Karnataka in a Ranji match. His consistent performance earned him a spot on the India Under-19 team in 2006 for the England tour. With his amazing stint in India Under-19, he debuted in the 2007 T20 World Cup International debut and early years. With his outstanding performance, Kohli secured a permanent spot on the national team with his first ODI century in 2009 against Sri Lanka. Subsequently, he shined in the 2011 ODI World Cup, scoring a century in his debut match against Bangladesh and helping India win the World Cup for the first time in 28 years. 2011, he debuted in tests against the West Indies. His unbeaten 133 helped India chase a challenging target set by Sri Lanka in the 2012 Commonwealth Bank Series in Australia, thereby helping him gain the moniker of the Chase Master of India. Although Team India didn't reach the finals, Kohli became the vice-captain of the ODI team for the 2012 Asia Cup and was the top run scorer of the tournament. Furthermore, he continued to excel, contributing to India's victory in the 2013 ICC Champions Trophy, setting records in ODIs against Australia in 2013, and being the highest run scorer in the 2014 T20 World Cup, despite India's loss in the final to Sri Lanka. He scored a century against Pakistan in the 2015 ODI World Cup and played a significant role in the 2016 Asia Cup and was named player of the tournament in the 2016 T20 World Cup. Through his outstanding performance in 2017, he scored a total of 2,818 runs across the international cricket format. Kohli was appointed as the captain in all formats as MS Dhoni resigned from captaincy. Additionally, he became the first batsman to hit 6 double centuries as a captain. In 2023, Virat achieved more remarkable milestones such as scoring his 21st international century in an ODI against Sri Lanka, becoming India's highest ODI century maker and the 5th highest run scorer in ODI history, surpassing Mahela Jayawardene. Was during the Asia Cup that Virat set a new record by becoming the fastest batsman to reach 13,000 ODI runs, achieving this milestone in just 267 innings, beating Sachin Tendulkar's previous record. He also became the first player to score 50 ODI centuries, eclipsing Tendulkar's record. Virat Kohli celebrated his century in the semi-final against New Zealand at the Wankhede Stadium by raising his arms and bowing to the fans and Sachin Tendulkar. How many centuries has Virat Kohli made till now? Virat Kohli has scored a total of 80 centuries. Out of these, 50 are ODI centuries, 29 are Test centuries, and 1 is T20 century. Additionally, he has gotten 17 Man of the Match awards. How did Virat and Anushka fall in love? Anushka and Virat had reportedly first met while shooting for a shampoo ad in 2013. Over the next couple of years, the two kept their relationship under wraps but were often seen together in public. However, in 2017, they surprised the country with the news that they had gotten married in Tuscany, Italy. They are now parents of 2 children, a daughter named Vamika born in January 2021 and in February 2020 they welcomed their second child, a baby boy named Akay. Captaincy and leadership. Virat Kohli started leading the Indian Test team in 2014 and became the captain of the limited overs team in 2017. He had led India to significant wins. For example, he led India to victory against Australia in a first-ever Test series in 2018-19. Overall, he led India to 65 wins in 95 matches. However, he was removed in 2021 and Rohit Sharma became the captain of the Indian team in all formats. What were the different controversies that marred Virat Kohli's captaincy? Virat Kohli was always known as an aggressive skipper, someone who liked to get into the skin of the opposition. Subsequently, he was always at the center of several controversies. Below are some of these controversies. Virat Kohli-Sourav Ganguly saga. When announcing the India Test squad for the South Africa series, the BCCI named Rohit Sharma as the ODI captain and removed Virat Kohli. BCCI President Sourav Ganguly later said that he asked Kohli to remain as the T20 captain to avoid split captaincy in limited overs cricket. Yet, Kohli denied everything in a press conference, saying that the BCCI informed him only half an hour before the announcement. Infamous brain fade incident featuring Steve Smith. In the second Test against Australia in March 2017 at the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium in Bengaluru, Steve Smith was out LBW to Umesh Yadav while chasing 188 runs. After the 15-second DRS limit, Smith looked at the dressing for some help. Virat intervened and Smith had to leave. Later, Smith called it a brain fade moment. Consequently, Kohli accused the Australian team of using unfair tactics multiple times and stated that they are not friends anymore. Virat Kohli's fallout with Anil Kumble. Anil Kumble was appointed as Team India's head coach in July 2016 for the Champions Trophy in 2017. However, Virat Kohli didn't agree with Kumble's tactics and strictness. Before the finals against Pakistan, Kumble advised Kohli to bat first. However, Kohli chose to bowl. India lost the match by 180 runs, following which Kumble expressed his unhappiness and resigned from the post of Team India. Furthermore, a stand at the Arun Jaitley Stadium in Delhi was named after him in 2019. He was also named the ICC ODI Cricketer of the Year in 2012, 2017, and 2018, and ICC Test Player of the Year in 2018. These were just a few of the recognitions that he has reached till now. He is indeed a truly exceptional and a class player. Retirement from T20 International career. Virat Kohli hit a match-winning 76 to set up India's 7-run win over South Africa in a thrilling final on Saturday and cap off his incredible T20 international career with a glittering silver trophy. Summing up, Virat Kohli's journey from a determined young boy in Delhi to becoming one of the most celebrated cricketers in the world is truly inspiring. His captaincy led India to significant victories, including a historic Test series win in Australia. Despite facing personal and professional challenges, including the loss of his father and controversies during his captaincy, Kohli's relentless dedication and extraordinary talent have earned him numerous awards and recognitions, solidifying his status as a cricketing legend. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.